Morning students, today we will study class 6 chapter number 11 and exercise 11a. Exercise is your 11a. In our last class we have discussed up to question number 4. Now the question number 5 is in the adjoining figure. The figure has been given to you. This is your figure in the adjoining figure. This is your figure. You can see in the adjoining figure. Name the first part is 4 pair of intersecting line, 4 collinear points. Third one is 3 non-collinear points. Fourth one is 3 concurrent lines, and fifth one is your 3 lines whose point of intersect is P. The first question is your 4 pair of intersecting line. You have to make the 4 pair of intersecting line. I'm writing here question number 5th part first. You have to write the 4 pair of intersecting line. The 4 pair of intersecting line are PS and AB. PS and AB is your first of all PS, after that AB, then CD RS. CD and RS. C and D, R and S. CD, RS, after that PS, then PS and CD. PS and CD. PS and CD. After that 4 pair of intersecting line AB and RS. AB and RS. See, first is your PS and AB. This is PS, A and B. Second is your CD and RS. CD, RS. After that PS and CD. PS and CD. Then AB and RS. AB, RS. These are the 4 pair of intersecting lines. You can see the line has been intersecting one each and another, so these all are 4 pair of intersecting line. After that 4 collinear points. The 4 collinear points are A, in this figure the 4 collinear points are A, Q, S and B. A, Q, S, B. Second answer is your A, Q, S and B are the 4 collinear points. Okay, this is your the 4 collinear points. After that the next question is 3 non-collinear points. 3 non-collinear points are A, C and B are non-collinear points. A, C and B are your non-collinear point. After that next question is given here 3 concurrent line. 3 concurrent line are PS, RS and AB. PS, RS, AB. PS, RS and AB are the 3 concurrent lines. Are 3 concurrent lines. After that 3 lines whose point of intersection is P. आपको 3 लाइंस बतानी है जिनका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन क्या है, P है. फर्स्ट वन इज योर PS, आफ्टर दैट P, Q, then C and D. Fifth answer is your PS, PQ and CD. These are the three lines whose point of intersection is P. These are the three lines whose point of intersection is P. Whose point of intersection is P. These are the three lines whose point of intersection is P. PS, PQ and CD are the three lines because they are intersecting at a common point P. आपको एक common point दे रखा है P और ये these all three lines are intersecting at P only. You can see CD is also intersecting at P. After that PS is also intersecting at P. PQ is also intersecting at P. Suppose if this is only C and D's line here, okay. Now the next question is given. Mark three non-collinear point A, B, C as shown. Draw line through these points taking two at a time. Name the lines. So how many such different lines can be drawn? Answer question 6. In question number 6, there are only 3 points have been given, A, B and C. The 3 points have been given and in the question, mark 3 non-collinear points A, B, C as shown. Okay, after that draw lines through these points taking 2 at a time. Name the lines. How many such different lines can be drawn? A, B, B, C and AC. Taking point A and B, we can draw only if you are taking point A and B. Answer is question number 6. Answer is taking point A and B. If we are taking point A and B, we can draw only one line. We can draw only one line, that is your AB. फर्स्ट लाइन इज योर AB. पहली लाइन हम कौन सी बना सकते हैं अगर हम A और B पॉइंट लेते हैं? दिस वन, A एंड B. ओके, फर्स्ट पॉइंट. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज टेकिंग पॉइंट. पहले हमने पॉइंट ले लिया AB. नाउ वी विल टेकिंग पॉइंट B एंड C. B and C, we can draw only one line, that is your BC. Now join B and C. This is join B and C. This is your BC. After that, now you can take last line, taking point A and C. We can draw only one line, that is your AC. Okay, AC. So this is your closed figure. Okay, according to question, you have to write answer like this only. Taking point, first of all you are taking point A and B, only one line can be drawn. Then taking point B and C, one line can be drawn. Taking point A and C, only one line can be drawn. Okay, the question number 6 has been completed and you have to write like this only that I have written. Okay, now we will discuss the from question number 7 in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.